This is week 3 update for Belleville Square water main replacement project. Over the past few weeks, we have already installed almost 1,000 feet of water main along North Illinois and South Illinois Street. So starting this week, we have closed down East Main Street, but sidewalks and businesses are still open.
This is the heart of the city, and we cannot afford to have frequent disruptions of a fundamental utility line like water.
The water is what keeps us flowing, what keeps our life flowing. I am from Nepal. It's a very small and a beautiful country. We never had water coming directly to our house. We didn't even have a tap. We didn't have a big structure, nothing compared to a fountain that we currently have in Belleville. It was normal for me and my family to commute daily for 2 hours just to get water. So we are very much dedicated to finish this project efficiently and promptly. We are on schedule and on track to finish the project by Labor Day deadline.
It is important for us to replace these fundamental utilities because it creates better, stronger bones for our community, for business to thrive. We want to make our city better for the residents and for the businesses. We want Belleville to be a destination for people far and wide. So the pain that we have caused is worth every bit of it for their future success.